Open GCash app. Select View all GCash services. Under Fund Management, select Cash Out. You have to choose whether delivery or pickup mode. If you use pickup, this is the list of stores where you can buy your own cash Mastercard and also an instructions on how to buy. If you choose delivery, you will see the amount you have to pay to receive your cash Mastercard, including the delivery fee. After that, you need to fill up all the information needed. Press Accept, and next then, you will receive confirmation message from Cash and the payment for the card.